My friend, stop cracking your neck. I know it feels good in the moment. I know it gives you a second of relief. But every time you hear that pop, you are not fixing the problem. You are destabilizing the jade pillar, your cervical spine. In ancient wisdom, we believe the neck is the bridge between the body and the mind. When you forcefully crack it, you are leaking qi, vital energy, and turning your ligaments into loose, worn-out rubber bands. This creates a cycle of what we call false relief. The more you crack, the weaker the bridge becomes, leading to pinched nerves, shaking hands, and chronic pain. Today, I will teach you how to break this addiction in 21 days, using 4 gentle rituals, including the powerful sacred turtle technique to realign your pillar without force. Here's the truth modern science tells us. Your neck is held together by ligaments. Think of them as strong ropes holding a mast. When you yank your head to crack it, you overstretch these ropes. Eventually, they become too loose. When ligaments are loose, your muscles have to work double time to hold your head up. They become tight, stiff, and angry. This stiffness makes you want to crack your neck again. It is a trap. To escape it, we must stop stretching the ropes and start strengthening the muscles. Ritual number 1, the willow bows. When the urge to crack comes, do not fight it with force. Use gravity. Sit tall. Let your chin fall heavily to your chest, like a weeping willow tree bowing to the wind. Let the weight of your head, about 12 pounds, do the work. Gently tilt your head a little to the right, then a little to the left. Feel the stagnant energy releasing from the back of your neck. Do not pull, just let go. Ritual number 2. Circling the moon. Next, we must soothe the angry muscles. Imagine you are drawing a small circle with your nose, circling the moon. Go clockwise for 10 circles, then counterclockwise. Keep it small, keep it gentle. We are telling your body, it is okay, you are safe, you do not need to crack. If you hear little clicks, that is fine. Just keep the flow smooth like water. Ritual number 3, the golden grip. Now take your hands and clasp them behind your neck. Squeeze your palms together, pressing into the muscles on the sides of your spine. While squeezing, slowly drop your chin to your chest again. Hold this for 30 seconds. Breathe deep. This technique manually releases the knots of qi that cause the urge to crack. It is much safer than twisting. Before I show you the final and most important technique, I must warn you, you can undo all this progress if you sleep on the wrong pillow. If your neck is crooked for 8 hours a night, the jade pillar will never heal. I personally recommend using an ergonomic cervical pillow to cradle your neck while you sleep. It helps maintain the natural curve without effort. I have linked the one I trust in the description below. It is a small investment for a lifetime of spine health. Ritual number 4, the sacred turtle retreats. Now, the master technique. Most people who crack their necks have forward head posture. Their head sticks out like a turtle searching for food. We must bring the turtle home. Keep your chin level with the floor. Now pull your head straight back as if you are making a double chin. At the same time, squeeze your shoulder blades together behind you. Open your heart, hold for 3 seconds, then relax. Pull back, squeeze, hold. This is the sacred turtle. It strengthens the deep flexors and realigns the jade pillar perfectly. Do this 10 times every single day. Science says it takes 21 days to reprogram the subconscious mind. Commit to these rituals for just 3 weeks. When the urge to crack comes, bow like the willow or retreat like the turtle. Do not break the seal of your spine. Protect your flow. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Body Flow Wisdom. Leave a comment below. How long have you been cracking your neck? Let's break this habit together. Be gentle with yourself today.